To get your personal guide, just scroll down and put in your data. Obviously, you put in your name. The name is not necessary in the sense of that it needs to be correct. You can put whatever you want. If you have, some privacy issues, you put your place of birth, date of birth, please. It's day, month, year, and you put your time of birth. This is AM or PM. Please make sure to put the exact data. This is very important because a minute sometimes can make a difference. If you're unsure, you can put 12/7 in this example, and maybe you put 12/17 to see if there's a change in the chart. You can always create many more charts however you want. This is all for free. You put your email if you like. You click on View My Chart. Unlock now. After you see your chart, you will get to a checkout page with Stripe. You put in your data. You can put in your email. You put in your credit card or Apple Pay. You click on Pay. Then you see this pop-up, and here you can click on download or listen. So you can click on listen now. A new page opens and you see here is your authority and type audio report. You can listen right away in your browser, or you go back and you click on download now. And then it takes a bit, data is a bit big. So then you download it and you can listen on your iPad or your computer, however you like. Enjoy.